Hello everyone, we have given 10 ratio 5 equal 3, 20 ratio 4 equal 7, 30 ratio 3 equal 13, 40 ratio 2 equal what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look to the resolution. 10 ratio 5. So we can write 10 divided by 5, which is equals to 2. And how can we recheck 3 by adding 1? Now let's check. 20 divided by 4 is 5 and the successor of 1 is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 30 divided by 3 is 10 and successor of 2 is 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. So what is 40 ratio 2? 40 divided by 2, 20 and successor of 3 is 4. So 20 plus 4 is 24. So what replaces the question mark? 24. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.